Welcome to your practice. Welcome to my channel, the best place to practice holistic yoga for your body, your mind, and your soul. Now, I often say welcome to the mat, but in this case, I am going to welcome you to your chair or wherever it is that you're currently seated so that we can take a conscious break together. I often sit at the computer for hours and hours, even though I am a movement teacher. When I'm practicing or teaching asana, my business often requires me to be seated for many, many hours consecutively. And so I know I get caught in the belief that I'm not worthy of taking a break or there's no time to take a break. And this class is going to be proof that we can, in fact, care for ourselves without having to make it some extravagant experience. So from wherever you are seated, that might be your office chair, it might be a couch, but wherever you are, I want you to uncross your legs so that your feet are planted and take a moment to connect with the earth plane. If you're able to, even taking your shoes off can be really helpful to reconnect with the ground beneath you. I often sit with my legs all tucked up underneath me in very strange postures that lead to aches and pains. So here, let's firmly root down through the soles of the feet. Sit up nice and tall. I'm at the edge of my chair, as you can see here. Roll the shoulders back and down. And today's class is also inspired by one of my teachers, 𝘆cie𝗂𝗪. She posted a quick video on Instagram, and I felt like, wow, that would be such a great class to do when we need to care for ourselves. So begin to roll the shoulders towards the back of the body, freeing up this upper region that's often contracted, and then move in the opposite direction, please. Great. Sweep the arms up overhead. See if you can clasp the thumbs together and then reach even higher. Lengthen through the sides of the waist. Inhale here. Exhale over to the right. Let's hold for 3 breaths. You don't need to go to your depths. We're simply wanting to create some expansion and openness in the side body. Through to center, over to the left. Up through center. Let's take a twist over to the left. Left arm goes back, right arm comes to the knee here. And then let's use this as leverage to guide the body open. We're not pulling to reach our maximum twist. We're simply opening the body and trying to reverse all of that constriction and contraction that happens throughout the day. Maybe shift the gaze towards the back, over the left shoulder. One more breath. And simply switch sides, move through center, right arm back, left hand across. Hand can be on the knee here or it can clasp any part of the chair depending on the style of seat that you're in. Let this elbow soften down, the right elbow. And working with this phrase, I am allowed to take breaks. I am allowed to take breaks. Working for myself and working from home, I've realized over the past few years that it's really hard to combat this belief that no, there's no time. There's no time to take a break. Come back through to center. Let's cross the left ankle. Let's start with the right. Right ankle over the left here for a figure 4. And let's simply hinge forward, hands gently resting atop the legs here. And feel for a sensation. Right foot is flexed. Notice if you went too far and you're starting to feel it in your back versus the outer hip. And then invitation to layer on, bringing the right elbow all the way to the arch of the left foot. If this isn't available to you, that's okay. You can stay right where we were. Create a fist with the right hand and bring the left hand over top that fist to rotate open. Lengthen out through the crown of the head. I am allowed to take breaks. 3 more breaths. Beautiful. Unravel. And bring the arms overhead. Create a frame, opposite palm to opposite elbow. Do the best you can to create that. Lift up, lengthen through the sides of the waist. And then hinge to fold over the tops of the thighs here. Laying the belly over the thighs. Relax the head and neck. One more breath. Feel that whole backside body being extended versus compacted. And sit all the way up. Use your abdominal strength to lift up. Release that frame. Other side now. Left ankle crosses over right. Let's hinge forward only until we feel sensation. Pause here. Gaze forward. I'm allowed to take breaks. Staying here or possibly bringing the left elbow to the sole of the left foot, creating a fist with the hand, bringing the right hand atop that fist, using that as leverage to rotate the rib cage open. Lengthen through the crown of the head, please. Release that, gaze down, unravel, set the feet on the ground, drop the chin towards the chest. Lift the head up. Bring the head down. Head to neutral, gaze towards the right. Gaze towards the left. Back through to center. Pause here. Let's sit in stillness. Repeating, I am allowed to take breaks. Last time. Roll those shoulders again as you gradually open the eyes. That was so short and so sweet, and I hope that we all adopt this quick practice into our day-to-day so that we can rewire our mindset around our ability to take breaks. And it could be this break, it could be going for a walk outside, getting fresh sunlight, fresh air, circulating throughout the body. It could be a restorative posture. It could be a quick guided meditation, a body scan to feel rejuvenated instead of reaching for caffeine. There's so many yoga snacks, so to speak, that we can tap into. And each time we do that, we are challenging our mind around what we are worthy of and the rest that we are allowed to receive. And I know that the calmer I am, the more clarity I have throughout my day, and the more confident I feel to do my work, especially the work that I'm often resisting. So thank you so much for joining me. Tag me on Instagram if you end up using this throughout your day. I'd love to see you taking breaks and caring for yourself. Otherwise, I'll meet you back here to keep practicing yoga holistically together.